You want to speak before you have...
If I can.
Yes, please.
I've got a time problem.
Sure.
Sorry.
Just name and the
Okay,
council
I
office you...
apologize. We have 3 of the cases all at the same time in different rooms.
Just check if this mic is working.
I speak so loud. Everybody's used to me. For the record, Renee Weitzer representing Councilman David Rue. Good morning. The devil here is...
Renee, excuse me, pull it closer to.
What should I do?
Just pull it.
Oh, you can't hear me? Okay, sorry. The devil here is the small lot ordinance. That's the problem. There are several motions that have been put into council for the planning department to amend the small lot subdivision. Nothing has been moved forward. Had the planning department, or should the planning department move forward with those amendments, I believe you're not going to have these issues come to you, and there would be less problems with small lots than there are today. However, it's not moving. They're pushing the guidelines instead, and I appreciate the fact that they have bumped up the guidelines and they're a little tighter, and that everybody, all of the hearing officers do look at the guidelines and try and see that they are covered in a small lot. Many years ago, we, under a different administration, CD4, oh my God, I'm so sorry, hold on. Okay. We did protect the neighborhood by downzoning the height to 30 feet. It used to be 45 feet, so that was a major plus for this neighborhood. I just have a couple of questions. I'd like to know what the front yard setback is. I do also want to explain that I may have had a file on this case previously. However, all our files in the past administration have been destroyed. So basically starting from scratch.
That was your shop?
That was I lived with those files. I depended upon my files. But anyway, so basically have to start from scratch. So I have to go and copy whatever files you have and so forth. So I don't have any files on this previously. I don't know what the front yard setback is. The other question, I didn't hear the applicant indicated, or hopefully didn't miss it with all my phone calls, whether what the trash pickup will be. That's always a big issue for us, because with all these trash cans out on Waverly, you know, that's a big issue. And I really don't know what else to say. I'd like to have a decision letter from the neighborhood council, which could be very helpful. And we have not had any of those letters. And also, I did receive Mrs. Silverstein's letter, which looks like a brief, a long letter, but and I honestly did not go through it, and I'm not planning on looking at all those legal issues. That's not what me and the council office do. So with that, I have to just say that I wish the planning department would move forward, and I wish you and everybody else would, you know, tell the heads of the planning department to move forward with amendments. I will, and we do have meetings set up with the new council member. So that's basically all I want to say. It is multiple zoning, even though there are single-family homes there. It is RD 1.5, and that's always the problem. And no matter what community, what neighborhood you're in, when there's still single-family homes, but the zone is multiple, there's always issues when a new development comes in.
Yes.
But the bottom line is, it's the small lot subdivision that's the problem.
Just answer the question on the front yard setback. The front yard setback is in compliance with the zoning.
I realize,
Is
is it 15 feet?
Yes.
Okay, I did not have that, I did not know.
That was part of the revision.
Yeah,
Am I
that's
correct?
one of our amendments that we
Yeah.
wanted to do in the
The
small
other
lot.
amendment was to, about the height, also they eliminated the cover.
That's what I heard, they eliminated the roof decks.
And then they will answer about the trash.
Okay, and I'm sorry that I can't stay for the rest of the public, but my associate Julia Duncan is going to be here, and she'll be doing planning with me.
All right.
Thank you very much, good to see you all.
Thank you.